What's up, family? If we haven't met, welcome to Garrett Brown Art Studios, and I am back with another video. Today we are doing a puddle pour, and I'm here to show you success and failure. Life is all about success and failure. The paint consistencies will be shown at the end of this video. It's a little different from my typical videos, but I felt it was needed. There's a special message at the end for someone as well. So just, stick through the entire thing if you can. It's only about 8 minutes long, and I will see you later. You win some, you lose some. I came to check on my lovely piece about 24 hours later, and this is what I was left with. There's a lot of learning in this. There are some good things. Now, we may not all agree on this, but I am very happy at how separated the colors stayed. It didn't turn into just a bloody mess. Every color is every color can be seen very well. I can still see the gold, both greens, the maroon, still wet, the black, the white. So I'm very happy with that. However, the the fluorescent was too thin, and it began to break up. And Though I did swipe my sides for my drips, I had one terrible drip over here, and while the painting was already flowing that way, it just made it much worse. So now it's just awful. For my paint consistency, I used 4 parts of American Floetrol to 1 part paint. I also added a splash of GHC 800, which is to help the flow of the paint, and a little bit of water for consistency. Of course, because I use different brands, all of these recipes had to be tweaked a bit to achieve the same consistency. I will say with fluorescents, I always have a hard time working with them. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. Please press the like and subscribe button, and I will catch you again. Remember, family, do everything with love. Treat your friends, your family, and even your enemies with love. Until the next time, peace.